Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the image and a target size. Start now by making a duplicate so you never overwrite the original. Once copied, open it in your chosen editor, Photoshop, GIMP, or a dedicated compressor, and inspect resolution and color profile. Make sure you set the document to sRGB for web use, because many viewers expect that. Then check pixel dimensions. Reducing large dimensions is often the fastest size savings, so plan a target width and height before changing quality settings. Once the image is duplicated and profile set, resize the pixel dimensions to practical use, web, print, or mobile. After resizing, export as Jpeg and reduce quality incrementally. Export at 90, then 80, then 70 to compare. You'll see big file drops with minimal visual loss early on. Make sure to toggle chroma subsampling to 4, 2, 0 and enable progressive encoding if available, because both reduce file size without dramatically harming perceived sharpness. You're almost done. Export the final JPEG with the quality and encoding that met your target, then save with a descriptive file name. Once saved, view the image on different devices and browsers to ensure color and compression artifacts are acceptable. If you have many images, automate the steps with a batch export or command line tool to maintain consistency. If you notice banding or blockiness, make sure to increase quality a little or reduce the amount of downscaling. That single tweak usually fixes visible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.